How to fix Instagram not showing new posts problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so to fix the problem it's actually so easy. Just open the settings on your phone, scroll until you find the apps manager page, go to the apps, and here on this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll all the way down. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, let's try again. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on first stop, and then go down to this storage option. Click on this option, it's called clear cache and clear data. Click on those two options and then go down to the power usage, click on the app launch, and then disable this option and enable it again. Now go back, restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe if the video was helpful. See you later.